Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the quaint and serene village of Innisfree, Alberta, a peaceful haven located in the heart of Alberta's prairie region. Known for its picturesque landscapes and close-knit community, Innisfree offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Innisfree was established in the early 1900s, primarily as an agricultural community. The village's name is inspired by the famous poem, The Lake Isle of Innisfree, by William Butler Yeats, reflecting the founder's desire to create a peaceful and idyllic place. Over the years, Innisfree has maintained its rural charm and agricultural roots, providing a quiet and friendly environment for its residents. Whether you're exploring the local shops, enjoying a meal at a family-owned restaurant, or participating in community events, Innisfree offers a warm and inviting experience. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Innisfree, Alberta. Thanks for watching.